How to turn on or turn off notifications for individual apps on iPhone. So first, let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, we tap on Settings. Now in Settings, scroll down and tap on Notifications. After that, we scroll down to the bottom, and in Notification Style, you want to tap on apps that you want to customize. So for example, Home Safe View, tap on that. At the top here, you can tap on Allow Notifications. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now this will apply to this one particular app only. And below that are different things that you can customize, such as notification delivery, alerts type. So we can set the notification to alerts on the lock screen, notification center, or banners. And you can choose the banner style, sound, batches, announcements, and other things. So that's how you can customize, how you can switch it on or off for one particular app or a number of different apps. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video.